So I wanted to show in detail about the wall art template and how it works, and I talked a little bit on the collection overview, but I wanted to show you what happens when you first open it. First of all, when you first open it, but I'll let it delete, it comes with a top layer that is white, and you just delete that layer. This is just to reduce the file size because it's very big because it comes a lot of things. So as you can see here, this is a ready-made wall art for you. And now from there, you can just use this as it is, but the goal here is to guide you to do your own wall art if you are not familiar to paint yourself and use the brushes, or you don't feel comfortable still to do your own painting in Photoshop. So from here, as you can see, we have all the layers of all these things that she created here to create this this canvas. So what you can do pretty much here, if I click here and remove all the layers, you can see that we start first with a paper, and then she added some things for you, some paints. But what we can do is you don't need to use all this paint, so I don't need to put back everything. Or the things I put it back, for example, this one, maybe I don't want this rough texture, maybe I want another texture. So maybe this one I'm gonna use the gesso collection from the Nature. So I can just, for example, put one of the gesso, I have to click the layer, gesso texture there if I want. This one. So as I put on back paint, I can move them, or I don't need to even put it back all the paint, so I can just hide it if I want, or I can change and put other styles. So for example, this one I can put, oh, I used the same one, so let's go back. One, and I wanted to put on this one another, maybe impasto style there. All right, so what you can do also, you don't need to show everything, and the designs that she used, like these flowers here and the other one on the back here, then you can use as you want, or you can go back and put on the doodle flower. You can move this flower like I did on mine, or you can actually put more layers and put things on top of it. You can open a artsy bits and piece and put over there. So now I can just put it back. Some of the text background here. This of the mixed style styles, or I can come here on this drip and I can put maybe impasto. I keep going to the wrong layer. Sorry about that. This layer here, I can put style, and then I can move this paint to where I want. I can also come with the brushes, and I can reduce this brush and put a layer style, and I can can go ahead and brush that. Or I can use with a regular, my flow is not 100%. There you go. Then you can then just fill with a color if you want. And you can fill that with a color. You can make it bigger. So you can create your own. Another example that I want to show is another one that she created here. She changed the dimension here, but it's pretty much playing with the same concept. And what she used here, she just drew these flowers with the brush tool. And this is what I did here with the same template. So pretty much I hid some things, I changed some things from places, I brushed more brushes, I removed the word art, and I chose another word art. But pretty much the background was half done for me. I just applied some new styles, and then you can play with that template over and over and build different canvases. I would even say to you that you could also use with the previous style. So if you want to do something bolder, use the space collection that we had, just a style. Let me give an example here. Let me grab a paint. For example, this green. So we have the Space Night collection that had very bright, strong watercolors. So if you want to do another color scheme, you could do that, and you could put these styles there. So possibilities are endless here. You can play with these layers of paint and doodles and create a wall art for yourself. So I hope you enjoy playing. Don't forget to visit us at facebook.com NBK-Design, and you can visit me at with2words.org. Thank you.